Having filled the container to the 100 milliliter mark, shake until the sodium thiosulfate tablet has dissolved. Add the coliform's E. coli powder. Shake the container until dissolved. Place the plate test and the containers into the incubator. 24 hours later, remove the coliform's E. coli test from the incubator and check the sample for colour change. If there is no colour change, then no coliforms are present, as shown in the test on the left of the screen. If the colour of the sample changes to blue, green, as shown in the test on the right of the screen, then coliforms are present. To test for the presence of E. coli in a darkened room, place the UV lamp in front of the vessel to test for fluorescence. This sample is negative for E. coli. If the sample fluoresces when the UV lamp is held to the container in a dark room, then E. coli are present. Log the results.